Have you ever thought, if I could just make $1,000 more, then everything will finally be okay? I used to believe that too, but then something surprised me. I met people that make $40,000 a year and feel completely in control of their money. And then I've met people that make $200,000 a year and every payday they still feel stressed. Today, I want to talk to you about why making more income doesn't automatically mean financial peace and what actually does. Hi, I'm Andrea with Debt to Dreams Financial Coaching, where I help people who feel stressed and overwhelmed with money gain clarity, confidence, and control. And today, I want to talk to you about one of the biggest myths out there when it comes to money. More money helps, but it doesn't fix habits. Let's be clear. More income is a good thing. It can help you pay off debt faster, build savings, invest for retirement, take vacations, and breathe a little easier. I'm not saying making more money isn't valuable. It absolutely is. But income doesn't erase habits. It usually magnifies them. Imagine someone who never tracks their spending. They get a raise, and for a few months, things seem easier. But then life slowly starts to creep in. Your grocery bill slowly starts to get bigger without you even noticing. A subscription here, a takeout order there. Nothing feels outrageous in the moment, but 6 months later, they're asking themselves the question, where did all the money go? The income changed, but the habits didn't. There's actually a name for this. It's called lifestyle creep. As income goes up, spending quietly starts to increase too. Not because you're irresponsible, but just because it's human nature. When life feels more comfortable, we naturally feel more comfortable spending our money. That's why people at almost every income level can still feel broke. The people who feel confident with money aren't always the ones making the most. They're the ones that have built a system. They know what expenses are coming next month. They start planning for future expenses or emergencies before they happen. And that's where confidence comes from, not from a bigger paycheck. If you've been thinking, if I could just make more money, I want you to change that thought. Instead, ask yourself, if I made more money tomorrow, would I know what to do with it? And if the answer is no, that's actually good news. It means your biggest opportunity isn't earning more. It's building a system that lets every dollar work harder for you. Because when you change your habits first, every future raise has the ability to change your life instead of increasing your spending. If you're ready to start building that system, then download my Money Clarity Workbook using the link below. It'll help you see exactly where your money's going today. So when your income increases tomorrow, you'll already have a plan for it. If this video helped you look at money a little bit different, then I would love for you to like this video and subscribe. I post a new video every week to help make money feel a little less overwhelming and a whole lot more manageable. I'll see you in the next video.